And to try to learn to sing Arctic Monkeys, do I want to know? Da 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 da. Have you got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that feel that you can shift that type that sticks around like summit in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat till I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go. We're sort of hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the guts? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it shuts. Simmer down and pucker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp of trying to kiss you. And I don't know if you feel the same as I do, but we could be together if you wanted to. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go. We're sort of hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things they can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy yours to fall for somebody new. Now I've thought it through, crawling back to you now. If this feeling flows both ways, sad to see you go. We're sort of hoping that you'd stay, baby. We both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things you can't say tomorrow day. Do I wanna know? Too busy being yours to fall. Sad to see you go. Never thought of calling, darling. Wanna know? Do you want me crawling back to you?